Okay, welcome. I'm just going to show you a quick video of what this screen is capable of doing. I'll turn it on to kick it off with. So what you can see displays a splash screen. In this case it's spider, and I'll show you how to change that in a second. There's a couple of things that it does. Basically it shows you obviously your total odometer reading. Along with that it will also show you obviously your trip meter as well. Which what I'll do is I'll take it for a drive and I'll quickly show you sort of that clocked up. Also down there towards the bottom left, it also shows you your voltage of the battery. And on the bottom right hand side shows your average trip speed, and that's a speed from basically when you turned your vehicle on, how far you've traveled, and your average speed for that trip. And if you don't like that screen, you can actually change that screen as well back to the old classic one. Just simply by turning on the park lights 3 times, and as you can see, as I turn the park lights off, it brightened up. But if you turn the park lights on 3 times, it changes the layout, and now you've gone back to the classic layout that you'd be used to. To switch it back, you just flick it 3 times again. Tells you your new layout set, and there's your new layout. And just to show you the actual splash screen options as well, it's a very similar thing. When you first turn the vehicle on, it offers you a splash screen. You just quickly flick on the parkers 3 times. Actually, I might just do that again because I had the parkers already on. You flick on the parkers 3 times, and it gives you the option to change it to an Alfa logo, a GTV logo, or a Spider logo. And I think if you press it 4 times, it'll go back to default. So it'll be Spider again when I turn it off. But what I'll quickly do, I'll just change it to GTV. So I'll turn it on now. It'll be Spider. 1, 2, 3. Once, twice again. And now it's at GTV. It'll now save as that. So next time I go turn the vehicle on, it'll come up as GTV. So I said you got 3 options: the GTV logo, the Spider logo, or just the classic Alfa Romeo logo as well. I'll show you in a second just the average speed as well. Okay, as you can see here, I'm trying to hold the camera straight. As you can see, I've been driving around for a couple of minutes now. I have to drive slowly, unfortunately. I'm in suburban streets. But as you can kind of see there, the average speed has started to clock up. So I can't quite read it. I have a look at the phone in the way at the moment. But basically what it'll do is it'll just basically calculate your average speed since starting the vehicle. Every single time you stop the vehicle, that'll then reset. If you also press the reset kilometers button, that will also reset the average trip speed as well. But as you can see there, I've been driving around 1.3 k's just quickly around my local suburb, and I think I'm sitting at about an average speed of about 20 k's an hour. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.